I'm Bob Scherer, and I'm proud to serve as Dean of the Michael Neidorff School of Business here at Trinity University. I view my role as Dean as being more of a facilitator than a teacher or an administrator. I'm able to watch and mentor students as they grow and learn here on campus. I'm able to collaborate with faculty on research projects. I'm able to work with nonprofit organizations, principally through classes, but also serving on different boards as well. And it just really is an opportunity that is truly satisfying and enjoyable. I was offered the opportunity to serve as interim dean. I thought I would be here for a year, and 7 years later, I'm still here. I would say that one of the reasons that I enjoy being at Trinity, and one of the reasons that personally I wanted to stay, was because I truly love the opportunity to blend the arts, sciences, and humanities with business. It's really important that our future business leaders are not just trained in technology, in business processes, in working with numbers, working with quantitative kinds of problems, but that they're also able to work as team members, that they're able to speak and present effectively, that they're able to write effectively, solve problems, take initiative. That's what courses in the liberal arts do in terms of complementing a business education. My undergraduate background was at a small private liberal arts university. For me, I feel most at home and most congruent with a smaller kind of family atmosphere, if you will. I feel more at home being able to just walk down the hallway and see all of our faculty, as opposed to having 150, 200 faculty and not really knowing them that well. So it just offers an opportunity to really build and maintain over time a sense of community that you're not going to get in a large public school. You know, a vision without anybody following along is only a hallucination. But my vision is refining our model of experiential and project-based learning and continuing to be the best that we can be in preparing our students to be excellent, outstanding organizational leaders and leaders in their community.